Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Bruce on one of the cheapest devices you can get, the LittleGo T-Display TTGO. This little thing usually costs around $10 online. I'll put the links in the subscription. So let's get to installing. First I head to Bruce.computer. I'm doing this on a Chromebook, which is why it sucks. I do it on a Chromebook because it's better with the serial ports. Then let's go to install now. Scroll down. Latest in my version it's 1.13. Then this is a LittleGo device to the TTGO. And then this is when you plug in your thing. Pay attention, guys. You're gonna need a Type-C cord. This is when you take out your display. And the important thing is when you plug it in, you have to hold the right button so it plugs in reboot mode as you plug it in. Let's do that here. You'll know you did it correctly when it doesn't light up, but the light on the side does. Okay, then connect to device. It should be this one, I think. Connect. Install LittleGo. You don't have, it doesn't care, it doesn't have anything on it. I just erase it. More storage. Okay. Once you start the flashing process, wait for it to finish. Do not unplug it or it can mess up the device. This will take 2 minutes. Keep this page open for shutdown. Takes pretty fast. After around 2 to 3 minutes, it should finish flashing. No, say wrapping up. And now you got Bruce on the $10 device. Now let's try this thing out. Now because of TTGO's low price, it doesn't come with a built-in battery. I've seen people install it. You can buy one separately if you want to use it on the go. But today we're only going to focus on affordability. And so why should you buy the TTGO and who is it actually for? The TTGO isn't the most flashiest tool or the most powerful device out there, but it is one of the cheapest ways to start learning. I recommend it for beginners who want to explore the cybersecurity tools without spending hundreds on dollars on like devices like the Flipper or the Wi-Fi pager, because even I cannot afford those prices. Once you get comfortable with Bruce firmware on this device, I would recommend to updating to M5 stack stick plus 2, which I have. I can show you a video how to install that also. And eventually to the T-embedded CC1 Plus, which is this. You can put Bruce on it too, but it can do way more capabilities because this is mostly meant for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. All the other things it's not really good at. I mean, some things you can't even do. But yeah, some people might say that the Raspberry Pi Pico is the cheapest option, and it is cheap, but it's mainly for bad USB type projects, not Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and other wireless features that help you learn cybersecurity or pen testing devices. So I would recommend this because it's the cheapest and it comes with a lot of things for its price. Now, what can you do with the TTGO running Bruce? So quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone illegal activities and I'm not responsible for how anyone uses the device or the tools shown here. Always follow the law and respect others' privacy. Bruce installed. The TTGO mainly supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth features. If you want to access more advanced capabilities, I recommend upgrading to a more powerful device. I can't demonstrate anything disruptive, but I can show harmless examples like Wi-Fi beacon spam, using custom names. Oh, here. Go Wi-Fi. Oh, shoot. Go Wi-Fi. Then we go to, scroll down. Wi-Fi attacks. Then let's go to beacon spam. I'm so used to using my M5 stack. Then let's do Rickroll. And now let's go on our computer. Go to settings. And then let's go to system. Network and internet, sorry. And then let's go to Wi-Fi. Then show available networks. And it is the lyrics, or it's usually named the Rickroll, never gonna give you up, never gonna give you down. And this thing can do much more than that. Way more than that. Okay, now let's do some. We're gonna go back. Oh my goodness. And then we're gonna go to BOE. And we're gonna go to Windows spam. There's also a Samsung spam and Apple spam. Apple fixed it mostly with their new updates, but Windows and Android are more wearable. So if we go to our computer, you see things popping up over here, which makes, with a lot of these devices, once you all do on the same thing, if it does it so much that it will actually freeze the computer. And yeah, it's just a fun device all around. Pretty much everything about the TTGO. Some people try to install custom themes on it, but it can make it unstable and crash it often. If you want some more customizable, I would again recommend to upgrade into the theme embedded, which you can easily install custom themes on and run all the things plus more. And I think that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.